April 1971. It gives me very great pleasure indeed to be with you. My only regret is that due to my other engagements, I can spend only a short time with you. I was very happy to find all of you progressing so well in education. For a long time before independence, our education was far removed from our surroundings, from our past, and from our heritage. Things are different now. We have learned to respect our religion and to know something about it. I do hope you will carry these lessons with you wherever you go and whatever you do. That is the specialty of your school, for it is named after a great man, and that itself must be a source of constant inspiration to all of you. There are several other good schools, government schools, and other schools. I have no desire to run them down. I have no doubt that the standard of education may be very good there, and yet something is lacking in all these institutions. There is not that inspiration and the spiritual background, which is far more important than the education itself. I want you to carry this with you wherever you go, because even if you just learn a few things along with the spiritual background here, and then when you leave the school, forget all about it. You have not gained very much. In fact, you have not gained anything at all. In that case, I would like to compare you with some of those stones on the seaside, you know, which become round and polished and so on, but they all remain stones. So, if you forget these things, go outside and do not try to pass on whatever you have learned from others. I would say you have wasted your time, but I have no doubt that you will not do so, because these truths which you learn in these schools with this spiritual background are yours, and they become your permanent possession and your constant guides. I am glad to know that the school has got a very fine record. Students have been very well trained, and as I said, you are all spiritually equipped, and therefore I have no doubt that you are properly equipped for the life which is awaiting you. When you finish your school career, I wish you all a happy and more prosperous future. From Thiru Vishwanathan, correspondent, National High School, Mayuram, to the Minister for local administration, Government of Tamil Nadu, Fort St. George, Madras. Dear Sir, I introduce myself as the correspondent of a famous high school in this well known town. My school has on its rolls 1500 pupils. This number includes a few hundred girls. The institution caters to the needs of the backward classes in particular, and its roles are welling every year. The school has a serious drawback, namely lack of permanent recognition by the department. The department has pointed out that the school should secure a Pakka playground. I took action immediately and obtained on lease 3 acres of land from the municipality. The land is a part of the Rajan Totem. The government of India have since sanctioned rupees 5000 to this institution for the provision of necessary equipments for games. I have a strong will to see that proper action is taken in the right path. Yours faithfully.